Yeah, so today I'm going to demonstrate a healthcare FAQ voice agent which I built using Retell AI. So in many healthcare organizations, support teams receive a large volume of repetitive calls related to appointment scheduling, insurance coverage, therapy session, etc. So addressing these repetitive queries can increase the operational cost and often result in longer queue time. So to address this, we built an AI-powered virtual patient assistant which can answer common patient questions instantly. The key benefits are basically the solution provides several benefits, like it's available 24/7, reduced workload on support staff, and it is consistent and accurate with responses. So the flow is simple, like the patient asks a question, AI searches the FAQ knowledge base, and it provides a natural conversation response. So if I give a live demo.
Hi, this is Neha from OMSI Physical Therapy Care. How can I help with you today?
Hey Neha, so I wanted to know, like,
Yes.
how does how long does a therapy session last?
Yeah, therapy sessions are usually about 45 minutes for most commercial insurance and self pay patients, and around 55 minutes for Medicare patients. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, I am having little back pain, so can you prescribe any medication for it?
My apologies, I can't prescribe any medications. I'm a virtual assistant and not a medical provider. That's a great question. This request needs assistance from another department. I can help connect you with the appropriate team. Is there anything else I can help you with before transferring you?
No, no, that's fine. Thank you. So basically, as you saw, this POC demonstrate how Retell AI can automate healthcare FAQ handling and can improve patient experience. So thank you.